Curious about the top UI UX design tools to explore in 2024? Well, this video has got you covered. Today, we delve into a selection of innovative, creative, and user-friendly tools that are revolutionizing the design space. First on the list is an AI-powered tool named Midjourney. This tool is a game changer in the world of UI UX design. With its intelligent algorithms, it guides you through the design process, suggesting creative solutions and helping you avoid common pitfalls. Next up, we have Runway ML. This tool leverages the power of machine learning to help you create stunning visuals. It's like having your personal digital artist at your side, ready to transform your ideas into reality. Another AI tool worth mentioning is Bing AI. It's not just a search engine, but a powerful tool that offers a plethora of features such as image recognition and sentiment analysis, which can greatly aid in your design process. For the writers and content creators out there, we introduce Bard. This AI tool is designed to help you create compelling narratives and engaging content for your designs. Switching gears, let's talk about feedback. Gathering and interpreting user feedback is crucial in UI UX design. That's where tools like Typeform and UXtweak come in. They offer intuitive ways to gather user feedback, helping you refine your designs based on real-world user experiences. Survey Sparrow, Qualaroo, and Zonka are other survey tools that you can utilize. They come with customizable templates and powerful analytics to help you understand user behavior and preferences. Moving on, let's discuss prototyping. Tools like Figma, Fluid UI, Sketch, and Protopie are essential in this stage. They allow you to create interactive interfaces and bring your designs to life, making it easier to visualize and test your ideas. Last but not least, we have whiteboarding tools. FigJam, LucidSpark, Stormboard, and Miro are some of the best. They facilitate collaborative brainstorming and idea visualization, fostering creativity and innovation. To wrap it up, the design tools of 2024 offer a diverse range of capabilities, from AI-assisted design and user feedback analysis to interactive prototyping and collaborative brainstorming. They are integral to creating engaging, effective, and user-friendly designs. So whether you're a seasoned designer or a newbie in the field, these tools are worth exploring to elevate your design game. Remember, the right tools can make a world of difference in your design process. So go ahead and experiment with these tools and see how they can transform your work. Until next time, keep designing and innovating. Feel free to share your thoughts on popular UI UX tools in the comments below. And don't forget to keep yourself updated by liking, sharing, and subscribing to this channel.